G'day guys, hope all is well. Look, I wanted to get a video out to all of you on the importance of being, present with this market, making observations and knowing what this beast is, that is crypto. Whether you're investing or trading, you need to take targets. You need to have targets. You need to lock in profit. And I think for a lot of people out there that haven't gone through and done my courses, it's because most people will say, well, I don't really want to be a trader. I want to be somebody who just buys and hodls, right? And that would be a very dangerous thing to have done in 2018. Now, 2019 may be the same. I hope not. And I hope we do see some really good moves to the upside, and we undoubtedly will see some good tokens move. But it's really important to be able to have an understanding for when to get out, when to take profit and move. And I've created a bit of a list here of recent projects that have seen a very stiff rise to the upside, then to sell off very, very quickly. Now, many of you may have actually seen this, been in these tokens, and maybe you took profit. Maybe you didn't. If there's one thing I learned throughout the 2018 period from clients and people that I've worked with, is that the general community in crypto did not take profits in the 2017 madness that was, nor in 2018 in January, where there were some clear signs that it would be a wise time to take some profits. So again, the whole purpose of this is to show you some things to be aware of, and also to consider, doing courses and working with me. It's not just about taking trades and being active trading every single day. You don't need to trade every day. You don't need to trade all day. You trade windows when you can. It's just knowing what to do and when to do it. And it can also help you with your targeting for your investing as well. So I'm going to focus just on the daily charts right now. And starting with Loopring, because it had a very strong run up. Now, we've seen this before. Big runs up are often met by selling back down. Big run up, sold all the way back. Big run up, it's selling all the way back. Now, we see this time and time and time again. And when the candles start to get really big, it's often the time for which we see the market pull back. And we're seeing here, it has pulled back. If I use Fibonacci to gauge that move, we saw it do a very large move and it's pulled all the way back into here. Now, you might think, well, I'd still be up if I bought it here, and you'd be correct. However, why would you want to give all that back? If you're investing, then what you want to do is get out somewhere up here. I'm not saying the absolute top. Of course, you'd love to, but it's not really something that we can do all the time. And if you really like the project for a long-term hold, get out, buy it again down here, or even down here, or like so many times, buy it lower than its last move. So it's about knowing what to look for, when to take your profits and move out, because we see this time and time again. I'll show you on Factum as well. Massive move up. Look how far we've pulled back now. Okay, huge move, plenty of, even if you took your profits here, who cares? You didn't catch the whole move. That's okay. Scale out, take a bit off on these runs out. Now, it's not the first time we've seen this. Again, up here, massive move up, gave it all the way back to beyond the lows, set new lows. Veritasium recently, you can see here, another big move up. If you didn't take profits, you'd be wondering why, because it moved all the way back again. Big move, pull back. We see this time and time again, especially in these bear markets, but not just in bear markets. Now, Power Ledger does this quite frequently. Nice little move up here, pulls all the way back. Very strong move, pulls back. Okay, another good move, pulls back. And right now, again, we're seeing a nice move that has pulled back. Now, this did run into some resistance. So there were some reasons that I teach for profit taking throughout Power Ledger's run. We got Theta token. Of course, massive spike here, sold all the way back off. Again, nice move here. It's actually back in the cradle zone, so it might actually continue to the upside. But again, you can just sort of see, we do see these big moves and we see it come off. Another one recently is Steam. Had a good run up, come all the way back. We see this happen time and time again. Good run up, comes all the way back. BAT, again, good run up, comes all the way back. Good run up, comes all the way back. It happens time and time and time and time again. So if you want to be a hodler, make sure that's fine to do it, but why not try and build your stack in the projects you believe? When it does have a good run, exit some. I'm not saying exit all of it. I'm not saying exit any of it. I'm saying have the understanding to know when to exit, and you can build more of a stack. Again, shoots up, pulls nearly all the way back. Argor recently, another primary example, shot up. So far, straight line all the way back. I know it's still higher than this point here, but it is coming back. Stratus, another one. You get the picture, up and back, up and back, up and back. And we're seeing it time and time again. 10x, another great example. This is prone to it a lot. Big move up, all the way back. Big move up, all the way back. Big move up, all the way back. Now, it's not just here. It's also in the other bigger tokens, the top 10, for example. Now, of course, we're all very familiar with this chart. Big run up, all the way back. Guys, this is the characteristic of this market. It's an incredibly volatile marketplace. It's a great marketplace for traders and speculators. It really is. Now, whether you want to invest or you want to trade or you want to invest and build your investments and basically get more and more and more of the tokens you believe in, there's ways to do that through targeting, through understanding where entry and exit points exist. And I wanted to do this video so you all come up to speed and really understood some of the dynamics of this market that we see at the moment. Guys, have a fantastic day. Jump across to the website and get on the courses. Bye for now.